Hey everybody, today we're in a Ford F-150. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip console mount number 835678. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see the blue covering there. You do have to remove that covering off before you install the mount. And the tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, make sure you install your mount to the console before you screw anything to the faceplate. With that, we'll get started. So this mount is going to attach over the top of the console on this chrome piece here. And then the second seam is in the passenger footwell between these two pieces of the dash. So first, we're going to take the included gap opener and we're going to insert that just to open that lower seam up. Then we're going to take the mount and we're going to insert the lower seam first, right into that newly opened seam. And once it's in, you can grab the upper part of the mount with your fingers and just pull and lift that up over the chrome piece. With that in place, we can remove the gap opener. And now we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. As a note, we recommend installing the face of the mount in line with the beginning of the cup holder trim. And that way, you'll still have plenty of access for your power port. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.